Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Pronunciation Mastery, where we make sure you get every word just right. Today, we're tackling a word that's often a source of confusion. Nitch. How do you say it? Is it neesh or nitch? Let's find out. Part 1. Breaking down the word. First things first, let's break it down. Nitch is spelled N-I-C-H-E. But here's the trick. There are two ways people pronounce it, and today we're going to focus on the one that's more common in English, neesh. That's right. It's pronounced like neesherimming with beach or leash. Part 2. Common mistake. Now, here's the common mistake. Many people say nitch, like it's witch or switch. And while that's not wrong, it's actually less common in standard English. So, remember, neesh is your go-to, professional way to say it. Part 3. Usage and context. Let's put it into context. If you're talking about your area of expertise, you'd say, I've found my niche in graphic design. See how easy that sounds with neesh? It rolls off the tongue. Part 4. Putting it all together. Now it's your turn. Say it with me, neesh-nike. Go ahead. Say it out loud. Doesn't that feel great? You're officially a pro at pronouncing this word now. Now that you know how to pronounce nitch with confidence, you're ready to impress everyone with your smooth, professional English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be saying it like a native speaker every time. Thanks for watching today's episode of Pronunciation Mastery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who's been saying nitch. Let's spread the right pronunciation together. See you next time.